Hello! Good evening everyone. Kamusta na kayo? This is Tomiko De Santos and tonight I am in front of my Chakra Wisdom Oracle cards. Buno tayo ng isa. Bali itong session na to ay Tagalog English. Yan. Very colorful siya. From the color red up to the violet, meron siya. Ayan. Roy G. Bibb. Sige, pipili tayo ng isa. Let's cut the cards into half and tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa taas. We will take this card and the card that is in front of us is the Mysticism card. Okay. Before anything else, I just want to say that you can follow me on my Facebook account. It's Tomiko De Santos on Facebook in a private mode. And my Facebook page is Colin Lapid / Cristel De Santos. My Instagram account is Tomiko De Santos and my TikTok account is Cristel K85. Okay, let's go on with the reading. This is a mysticism card. It is connected to all the spiritual teachers like me. Did you know that before we got here in where we are right now, we need to have a lot of obstacles and hurtful things in our life so we can connect to the different people who needs help from us. So don't talk about bad things to your spiritual teachers. They can be the nuns or the priest or what do you call that, psychics and spiritual leaders. They are here on earth to help people ascend and they can answer all your difficult questions. That kind of questions are the ones who gives confusion to most of us. So, if you will ask me right now, tarot card movie will be upcoming and it's that for me it's no good because it will just give us negative vibes. Marami ng taong nagpatulong at naturuan dahil sa tarot cards. Ang mga spiritual leaders, hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, kaya naman nilang sabi ng mga magagandang bagay na hindi gumagamit ng cards. Kaso syempre, mas madali naman kasi mag-read ng tao pag gumagamit ng baraha. Ayan. April 2024 na din. Malapit na rin mag-Mercury retrograde. So, marami tayong bagay na kailangan ingatan. Ayan. I salute all the spiritual leaders like me na taos-pusong tumutulong sa mga tao. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan namin. Hindi din nila alam kung gaano kahirap mag-spiritual teacher. Super sinasacrifice namin yung sarili naming time, buhay, energy, at buhay para lang makatulong sa ibang tao. Tapos sasabihan ka pa ng masama. Kaya kami ring mga spiritual teachers, tulong-tulong din kami. Diba? Para lang din yan sa pelikula eh. May mga kontrabida, tsaka may mga bida rin. I'm spreading good vibes and mag-ingat kayong lahat. Doon sa mga taong gusto ng tulong or may mga questions kayo about sa life, huwag kayong mahiyang mag-message sa akin. Thank you everyone and good night.